Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you woke up feeling like the man you used to be? I mean, really feeling it, the energy, the confidence, that natural charge flowing through your body first thing in the morning, not dragging yourself to the coffee machine. Not groaning as you stretch your back, but waking up ready, ready for life, ready for intimacy, ready to perform. If it's been a while, don't worry, you're not alone. Because after 60, things start to change. Your body slows down, your hormones shift, your energy dips. And what used to come naturally, both in and out of the bedroom, now takes effort. That fire that once burned effortlessly inside you starts to flicker. And worst of all, nobody really talks about it. You're expected to man up and deal with it, quietly, but let's be honest, it doesn't feel good to pretend. Especially when deep down, you know you've got more to give. Here's the truth. Your masculinity, your vitality, your ability to enjoy life at full throttle, it's not gone. It's just buried under years of stress, poor sleep, lower testosterone, and a body that's begging for support. And the good news? You don't need injections, risky pills, or awkward doctor visits to get it back. In fact, it all starts with one simple vitamin. Yep, just one vitamin before bed can reignite your energy, boost your testosterone, support harder erections, and help you sleep like a rock. Sounds wild, right? But it's real. See, there is a mineral that most men over 60 are severely deficient in, and it controls over 300 critical functions in your body, including testosterone production, deep sleep, nerve health, and blood flow. That mineral is magnesium, and the right kind, taken at the right time, can create a domino effect that transforms how you feel from the moment you wake up to the moment you close your eyes. You might be thinking, magnesium? Really? But yes, this mineral is no joke. Especially for men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s. Studies show that magnesium helps your body increase free testosterone, the kind your body actually uses. It lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, and it enhances deep, restorative sleep, which is where testosterone is naturally produced. That means more energy, better mood, stronger performance, and yes, firmer, longer-lasting erections. Here's where it gets interesting. Most of your testosterone isn't made during the day. It's made while you sleep. But if your sleep is shallow or disrupted, your T levels plummet. And if you're waking up tired, sluggish, or with zero morning wood, that's your body's way of crying out for help. Magnesium helps unlock that deep sleep zone, the stage where your body repairs itself, builds hormones, and recharges your entire system, and the benefits go way beyond the bedroom. Men taking magnesium before bed report more mental clarity, less anxiety, and greater motivation throughout the day. Because when your body is well rested and hormonally balanced, everything just works better. Your muscles recover faster, your heart beats stronger, your mind stays sharp. You're not just alive, you feel vibrantly alive. Like the alpha male version of yourself that's been asleep for years. But not all magnesium is created equal. The cheap stuff, magnesium oxide or citrate, mostly helps you poop. That's not what we're after. If you want deeper sleep, harder erections, and higher testosterone, you need forms like magnesium glycinate or magnesium L-Threonate. These are the premium types that actually reach your brain, your muscles, and your hormonal systems where they can make a real impact. Taken just 30 minutes before bed, these magnesium types help your body wind down naturally. You fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and when you wake up, you're not groggy. You're charged. And here's the secret sauce. When testosterone starts flowing again, your entire confidence changes. Not just in the bedroom, but everywhere. In your conversations, in your posture, in how you feel when you look in the mirror. Think about it, when was the last time you wanted to flirt again? To make your partner's heart race? To lead with energy instead of feeling like you're fading? That man is still inside you. You haven't lost him. You've just been sleepwalking through fatigue, low hormones, and shallow recovery. Magnesium helps wake him up from the inside out. Now, let's talk about blood flow. Because this is where things get very real. Erections rely on blood flow. Without good circulation, you're not getting those firm, consistent results that make intimacy feel exciting again. Magnesium helps your blood vessels relax, increases nitric oxide, and improves circulation, especially to those key areas that matter most. Over time, this leads to stronger, more reliable erections and a better connection with your partner. It's not just physical. It's emotional. When a man feels strong again, when he feels like he can show up fully in the bedroom, everything else in his relationship improves. Communication opens up. Playfulness returns, that masculine feminine spark starts to flicker again. Magnesium gives you the biological edge to bring that intimacy back. But it starts with consistency. One capsule isn't going to change your life. But 7 days? 14 days? A month of consistently fueling your body with the support it craves? That's where the transformation happens. The sleep gets better, the testosterone builds up, the morning energy returns. And slowly but surely, the man in the mirror starts to smile again. So what should you look for? Choose a supplement with magnesium glycinate, preferably paired with zinc or B6 for added testosterone support. Make sure it's third-party tested with clean ingredients, no fillers, no fake coloring, no garbage. You deserve quality. Take it 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Then shut down your screens, dim the lights, and let your body drift into deep rest. That's it. No needles, no awkward pills. Just natural, powerful male support. Now, let me paint a picture. Imagine it's 1 month from today. You've been taking magnesium consistently. You're sleeping like a king. Waking up before your alarm, not from stress, but because your body is ready. You've got a little extra strength in your step, and maybe you roll over and something else is standing tall too. That's not a coincidence. That's testosterone. That's blood flow. That's you coming back to life. Your partner notices. She may not say anything at first, but she feels it. In how you touch her. In how you look at her. In the confidence you bring to every kiss, every glance, every moment of intimacy. This isn't just about erections. It's about connection, drive, pride, and the freedom of knowing your body isn't broken, it's built for greatness. Even after 60, so let's drop the excuses. Let's stop saying, I'm just getting older, as if it's a life sentence. Because age doesn't kill masculinity, neglect does. Your body wants to thrive. It wants to repair. It wants to rebuild testosterone, increase blood flow, and reclaim that bold, electric energy you once lived with. All it needs is your yes. Gentlemen, this is your moment. Tonight, take that step. Grab a quality magnesium supplement. Take it before bed. Let your body heal. Let your hormones rise. And prepare to wake up to the man you remember, the man your partner misses, the man who's been waiting patiently beneath the surface. He's not gone. He's not lost. He's ready. All you need to do is say yes. Because sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. One vitamin, one decision, one night. And your second prime begins.